Calling?
Do me a favor. Get a psychiatrist and figure out what your problem is, all right?
You need a psychiatrist?
You miserable motherfucker.
You're miserable? Well, why don't you call the suicide hotline?
You dumb fucking
Would you like the
hillbilly.
number? Would you like the number?
Yes.
Because I've got it right here for you.
I'm going to kill you if I find you.
It's 1-800 go fuck yourself.
If I find you, I'm going to kill you.
Write it down. It's 1-800 go fuck yourself. Can you
I'm
spell
going to tell
that?
you right now, if I catch you,
You probably
I'm going to fucking
can't,
use them
can
meat
you?
tenderizer on your
Okay.
face. So,
all right.
so when
Well,
you do
listen, I'm not going to waste my time
people
on
won't
a fucking
recognize you,
stupid idiot.
Sucker.
Especially somebody that's got a dick. It looks like a clit. That's what your mom said.
Why don't you suck the stop in my fuck stick, you retard?
Yeah,
You call me,
okay.
and I'll call the police.
Good night,
I'll do a
faggot.
trace on my number on a star 69, and you'll be in trouble.
Thank you for calling.
Listen here, you third grade graduate piece of shit. Do me a favor.
You're
Get a psychiatrist. Huh?
You're in the third grade,
No. You.
and you like to eat shit. Is that what you said?
You are one human excrement.
You want an estimate on how much it would cost for you to eat some more shit?
You
Well, here,
little
listen.
redneck, you dumb fucking hillbilly.
I know you can't afford electricity. Your mom, I fired her. She went
Wait, time
niggers
out.
right. She's got such a big pussy you could drive a tractor trailer truck to it, so I had to fire her. So anyway, here, listen to the radio. I'll be more than happy to help you out. I feel bad for you.
You're a sick person. You fucking low-light redneck piece of shit. You need some help, you sick hillbilly bastard.